Chapter 12, Section 3, Newton's third law of motion, and we're going to briefly talk about momentum. This is the last section for Chapter 12. So once we finish this section, we will actually review and prepare for our test. So Newton's third law, we covered the first and second law in the previous video. Newton's third law states that whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. Now let me clarify that. Basically, this is action and reaction. So if you press your hand against the wall, you're not moving the wall, so the wall has to be pressing back against you. One bumper car hitting another. The harder you hit a bumper car, the harder it's going to move, and you are also going to move. Forces don't cancel unless the net force is zero. So with action and reaction, think about, I don't know how many of you have ever shot a shotgun or a pistol of any kind, but your action is the bullet being discharged from the barrel. Your reaction is the recoil of that gun or of that weapon. So action and reaction. So you have one thing happening, but then you have something else happening as a result of that. So it has to have equal force, but in opposite directions. Now momentum, we're just going to talk about momentum briefly. It's the product of an object's mass and its velocity. So momentum equals mass times velocity. So P, we've already used M, so P represents momentum in this case, equals mv. And we'll do some practice problems with momentum. Momentum is something that has to be conserved, so conservation of momentum, which states that if there's no net force acting on a system, then the total momentum of the system does not change. So what you put in is what you get out. And that's it for today.